Oh, the cherry bomb. I have the cherry bomb on my 300.
So the whole front end is a Q Honey Badger. It's got the gas block, the barrel, everything. Yeah, I love that gun.
The target's yours on the end?
Straight ahead, yes sir.
Quick!
Yeah, it shoots fireballs, man. I'm still
What's
figuring
the
out.
length?
Yeah, seven even, I think. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
That's shorter than 7.
Yeah.
I have an 8 on mine, and mine reaches out to like here.
Yeah. I adjust the gas fully. So, I want to make sure that the brass it should come out like that.
I see you unloading. You don't want to run pipes. I know. That's what
It'll spit about.
And you 75 yards with the 7-inch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It hits it. Are ready?
Yeah.
Let's see. Hopefully the brass comes out like perfectly that way.
You want?
That's much better.
Yeah. That was like 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Try it again. You'll feel the difference.